Ma'am, what is the topic today?
Hmm. I'm giving a picture composition, then you have to talk about it. I'm sharing
Okay.
my screen with you.
And ma'am, I have one more question. Ma'am,
Yes.
how we can use will be, shall be.
Will be, shall be.
Yes,
Okay, we'll
ma'am.
discuss about that too. First, let's start with the session. Okay, let's
Okay,
start
ma'am.
with it. Yes. Let me know once my screen is visible. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hi, Riddhi. Good evening.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi, we have started with the session, and let me know if you can see my screen. I've shared my screen with all of you. There is a picture on it. Could you see that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you all are supposed to talk about this picture, think about it, and then one by one you can start.
Ma'am, there is a picture of dog and a boy who fell down in his bicycle and
Who fell down?
who fell down who fell down on his
No, no,
bicycle
no. I'm
and
asking who? Who fell off? Riddhi, I'm asking who fell off?
boy.
Like you mentioned, there is a boy who fell down. So you're supposed to say the boy. Yes, you have to specify. Yes, yes.
Okay, the boy has
Right.
fell down on the bicycle and look at the dog.
Hmm. Looking at the dog.
Looking at the dog and picture is not visible. Okay, visible, ma'am. Looking
Yes.
at the dog and
Okay.
who dog it's sat on the road.
Hmm.
That's okay, मैम.
Is
मैम ये
that
अभी
it?
हाँ यस ओवर मैम ये अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है क्या?
Just now.
ओके
Yes. Now it is Abhinav's turn. Abhinav, you talk about this picture. What story you can cook up here?
मैम मिस तो नहीं हुआ कुछ?
No, no, nothing at all, Riddhi.
ओके
Ma'am, once a boy
Okay.
was going to the market to get groceries. So he went on his bicycle. While he was heading towards the market, a dog came across the street, and the dog came suddenly in front of him. So he had to brake, and it fell down. The dog stopped and tried to help him. So the boy was very angry at him. So by seeing the helpful nature of the dog, his heart changed, and decided to do friendship with the dog. So he used to play with him with the dog in the evening, and their bond grew over time. And then he decided to adopt the dog, and then daily they used to go for a bicycle ride with him.
Hmm.
That's it, ma'am.
Are you done? Okay. Okay. Good one. Ritu.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there has a dog and a boy, and boy went to the cross the road. Boy uh, going to going to a shop or his uh, means going to
Hmm.
the boy was going to uh, shop, and suddenly his bicycle fell down, and that was some accidentally situation, and the boy fell down in on the bicycle, and her and his slipper struck in the wheel of bicycle, and there was a
Hmm.
dog, and the dog is look like
Dog
his
was chasing him. Hmm.
dog there was a dog, and that dog uh, his pet dog, because the
Hmm.
belt in his neck, in his throat and neck, and the dog silently see the boy, look the boy, look at the boy, and he the dog was want to help him, but he cannot able to help him, and the boy
He's not able to.
is not able to help him, and the boy looked at the dog,
Hmm. Staring at the dog.
ma'am, what is the meaning of staring?
There means ghurna.
Okay,
Hmm.
staring of the dog, and the boy look like angry with his dog,
Hmm. The boy looks furious.
looks furious and some little bit angry of his dog.
Angry, furious is one and the same thing, Ritu. So either you say furious or you say angry.
Angry.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am, that's it.
Okay, wonderful. Very nice. Nice try. Now, Alina, it's your turn.
Um, it seems to me there is a dog and the boy. The boy are going to outside, and his
Hmm.
bicycle, and he has fell down on the bicycle, and he was
Hmm.
looking at the dog, and dog also looking him, and the dog tried to help him.
Looking at him. Looking at him. Hmm.
The
Hmm.
dog looking at him, and the boy
Hmm.
the dog tried to help him. uh,
Hmm.
uh, that's it.
Hmm. Okay. We'll think about start. Would you continue, Alina?
No, ma'am, it's that's it. Over.
That's it. It's your turn. Chirag, go for it. Chirag, you there?
Yes, ma'am. A boy going to
Yes,
market.
Chirag.
A boy going to market suddenly disbalanced his
Hmm.
cycle, and he asked the dog,
Hmm.
"Why didn't side?" इससे बोलेंगे तुम साइड में क्यों नहीं हुए?
Hmm.
Why didn't side?
Hmm. Hmm.
And I hurt when I wanted to save you.
Why didn't you?
What?
Huh.
I hurt when
Why
I
didn't you
wanted
get
to.
aside? Why
Oh,
didn't you get aside?
why didn't to get side?
आप
I
साइड क्यों नहीं हो गए?
I hurt when I wanted to save you.
Hmm.
That's it.
No,
Ma'am,
No, that's not it. It is not it. Yes. Yes, Ritu.
No, ma'am, I am not
Not
asking.
ma'am,
asking. No, yes.
मैम लेग फंसने को क्या बोलेंगे?
My foot got stuck.
ओके ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
My or foot. Yes. Fahad. Fahad.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Yes,
boy
Fahad.
was
Give it
think
a Hmm.
the boy was think today I
Was
was
thinking.
go I the boy was think today I was
Thinking.
go I'm the boy was thinking I'm going to ride on my bicycle and he's take a bicycle and go for the ride on the way.
Okay.
On the way,
Hmm.
suddenly
Hmm.
one dog
Hmm.
is come out on his front on his bicycle, and the the boy was the boy the boy and
Hmm.
the dog
Suddenly
was
a dog. Suddenly a dog approached him. Approached him
suddenly a
or came close.
dog came
Hmm. Hmm.
suddenly was one minute.
Hmm. Continue. Continue.
suddenly suddenly the dog is from come from come from front the bicycle
Hmm.
and
Come before his. Yes. 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 Yes.
and bicycle is hit the dog and boy was
Hmm.
fell the down
Hmm. You can also
and
say all of a sudden, a dog came in the middle of the road and the boy fell off. The boy fell off. अचानक से
yes
सड़क के बीचों बीच in the middle of the road एक dog आ गया and he fell off. He tried to
yes
apply brake. He tried to apply brakes, but in
yes
that process he fell off. ऐसा करने के चक्कर में वो गिर गया, fell off. ठीक है? Hmm.
yes ma'am.
Yeah, who wants to go next? Anybody wants to give another try? Ritu has done Chirag, Fahad, Alina, Abhinav, Riddhi. Okay, Pinky is also here. Pinky, hi. Good evening. Pinky, could you hear me? All right, now let's understand its description here. So I want Ritu to read first two paragraphs. Ritu, read first
Yes,
two
ma'am.
paragraphs. Yes.
When I first learned to ride a bicycle, I felt excited.
Hmm.
That evening, I went on my own around the neighborhood. After a while, I decided to go to my friend's house for a game of badminton.
Hmm.
On my way there, however, I was chased by a fierce dog. I paddled as fast as I could, but it sprang at me and caught my leg. I shouted and fell off my bicycle. My knees were but my knees were but
Bruised.
bruised and
Bruised.
I was badly shaken.
Good. Thank you. Abhinav, next paragraph.
Fortunately, the dog let go of my leg, but before I could ride again, it sprang once more at me and barked. Nervously, I managed to get out on the saddle, after which I rode off without looking back. Much to my relief, the dog soon gave up chasing me, but then I was too tired to play badminton. So, after a short rest at my friend's house, I left for home. Taking another route, this time halfway home, I punctured and had to push my bicycle all the way. Finally, I reached home feeling exhausted after the evening's adventure on a bicycle.
What a tragic adventure it was.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ कुछ अच्छे वर्ड नहीं आप सबके लिए. As you all can see, starting with very first paragraph, let me know if there is a new word that you cannot understand and you want to know the meaning. पहले paragraph में कोई भी ऐसा word है? No? Is it there? Anyone?
मैम fierce dog.
It is the second paragraph. First में है? First paragraph? Paragraph के according चलेंगे.
First
Second paragraph, he says fierce dog. Fierce dog means खतरनाक. खतरनाक. Fierce means खतरनाक. Okay. I was chased. कर रहा होता है. Dog क्या करते हैं? Animals क्या करते हैं? Dog जैसे वो हमें हमारे पीछे पकड़ने के लिए भागते हैं. ठीक है, तो जब डॉग्स पीछे भागते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? डॉग्स द्वारा चेस किया जाना, पकड़ना. ओके. आई वाज चेस्ड बाय अ फियर्स डॉग मींस खतरनाक. I pedaled as fast as I could. मैं जितना जल्दी हो सकता था मैंने पेडल किया. I pedaled as fast as I could. ठीक है. But it sprang at me and caught my leg. उसने मेरे पे छलांग मारी. ठीक है. It
Ma'am,
sprang
sprang
at me
means-
and caught my leg.
sprang means
छलांग मारना.
Okay.
छलांग मारना. वो मेरे को कूदा, मेरे पे छलांग मारी. ठीक है. Sprang at me and caught my leg. उसने मेरा पैर पकड़ लिया. Sprang means छलांग मारना. I shouted and fell off my bicycle. My knees were bruised. Bruised का मतलब होता है छिल गए थे. मेरे knees छिल गए थे. And I was badly shaken. Shaken मतलब जो आप डर के मारे कांप जाते हो. I was badly shaken because
Like
that fierce
shivering.
dog was right in front of me.
Like shivering. Shivering or shaken is equal.
हाँ, you can say. I was shivering. I was badly shaken. And मैं बुरी तरह से डर गया.
And ma'am, please
ठीक है.
come again. Bruised. What is the meaning of bruised?
Bruised.
bruised.
छिल जाना, घुटने छिल जाना.
घुटने
My
छिल
knees were. Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice is some breaking.
Breaking? Is it breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why so? Wait. Let me clear up things from here. Might be network issues. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
still breaking?
Screen is not visible.
Is it now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good now.
Visible.
Let me turn off my. Okay. Let's continue. So first two paragraphs we have discussed. Any other word? Any other word out of these two paragraphs? कोई नया word है यहाँ पर? No.
Ma'am,
Shall we move?
चोट लग जाना या पैर घुटना छिल जाना है ना?
हाँ, छिल जाना, चोट लग जाना, वही चीज है. कट्स आ जाना, छिल जाना, चोट लग जाना, bruised. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Fortunately, let go of my leg. The dog let go of my leg. It means उसने मेरे पैर को, मेरी टांग को छोड़ दिया. The dog let go of my leg. Let go of my leg. उसने मेरी टांग को छोड़ दिया. मेरी किस्मत थी. Fortunately, किस्मत से the dog let go of my leg. सैडल मतलब आप समझते होंगे. सैडल जो गद्दी होती है, साइकिल की जो सीट होती है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? सैडल. Much to my relief. It is a very good phrase to use.
मैम
Much to my relief.
मैम,
मेरे
ये
धैर्य को, मेरी शांति को.
मैम ये जो सैडल है साइकिल की सीट के
Yes,
लिए
yes.
यूज करेंगे.
हाँ जी. और सीट, गद्दी ऑफ साइकिल.
केवल साइकिल के लिए ही यूज होगा.
जो सीट होती है, जो गद्दी होती है, साइकिल की सीट को हम सैडल कह सकते हैं.
और किधर
जैसे
से यूज
स्कूटर्स में भी आती थी,
अच्छा।
स्कूटर्स में भी आती थी, अब तो कोई गद्दियां नहीं होती हैं।
हाँ ओके।
ठीक है। मच टू माई रिलीफ, मच टू माई रिलीफ, मेरी शांति को हम बोलते हैं ना कि मुझे बहुत शांति मिली जब मैंने अपनी बेटी को देख लिया, जब मैंने अपने बेटे को देख लिया। आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर माई किड, आई कुडंट फाउंड हिम। मैं अपने बेटे को ढूंढ रही थी, मैं से कहीं ढूंढ नहीं पाई। तो 2 घंटे बाद मुझे पता चलता है, मच टू माई रिलीफ आई गॉट टू नो दैट ही वाज प्लेइंग विद माय नेबर्स किड ओनली। मच टू माई रिलीफ आई गॉट टू नो, मेरे शांति को, मच टू माई रिलीफ ऐसे बोलते हैं, मेरे शांति को, मच टू। बड़ी हैज रेज हैंड, हु इज इट? somebody raised hand.
Ma'am, what does mean barked?
Kindly mute yourself. Bhokna. Bhokna.
Achha, okay.
Bark means bhokna.
Or sprang?
Sprang means chalang. Chalang. जैसे झपट्टा मारते हैं ना dogs and cats.
Yes,
कूदते हैं. Sprang.
Okay.
Ma'am, the paragraph is not visible.
हाँ जी. Still not visible. Wait, let me turn off my camera. It might be interrupting. My camera might be interrupting. Yeah. Let me know if it is visible clearly now. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ritu, is it now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now there is another phrase I have highlighted here. Halfway home. Halfway home means मैं आधे रास्ते घर को था. Halfway home, I had a puncture and I had to push my bicycle all the way. मैं आधे रास्ते घर ही पहुंचा कि मेरे साइकिल में पंचर हो गया. I had a puncture और मुझे उसे धक्का लगाना पड़ा. I had to push. Halfway home. जैसे मैं बोल सकती हूँ halfway home I realized I have forgotten my keys. मैं तो चाबियां ही भूल गई आधे रास्ते घर पहुंचने पे. मेरे को ये रियलाइज हुआ, एहसास हुआ. Halfway home, when I was halfway home, I realized I have forgotten my keys. आधे रास्ते में मुझे याद आया मैं चाबियां भूल गई अपनी. Now in the last line only, feeling exhausted. Exhausted means you already know, very tired, बहुत थका हुआ. So instead of saying very tired, you all can say exhausted, right? Chirag, Fahad, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of exhausted?
Very tired, थका हुआ.
Okay, fine.
Now I think you all have got really good idea. आप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा कि कैसे और better words use करके we can describe this picture, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so now this will be your assignment. I'll share which one of you. आप सबको मैं picture share कर दूंगी in our WhatsApp group. आप सबको इन वर्ड्स का, phrases का use करते हुए again you have to describe the picture. दोबारा से describe करना है. Then I'll listen to each one of you tomorrow. But अभी हम आगे continue करते हैं with the next exercise. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yep. So Fahad, now you can lower your hand. You can lower your hand now. Yes. Ritu, do you remember हमने कल कुछ phrases किए थे?
Yes, ma'am.
I guess Riddhi also. Yes, Riddhi also remembers. Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
Yes. So could you recall, Abhinav, could you just recall all the phrases once again for all
Yes,
of
ma'am.
us?
Ma'am, first phrase was call it a day.
Call it a day.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. The
Let me show you my screen. Write it down. Just a minute, Abhinav.
yes,
Just a minute. Yes. So first one was call it a day. Okay. Next one was
ma'am, couch potato.
couch potato. Couch potato. Next. Next,
Ma'am, go
Abhinav.
Dutch.
Go Dutch. Okay.
Ma'am, throw
Next.
in the towel.
Sorry.
Throw in the towel.
Oh yes. Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel.
Ma'am, that's
And
it. Yes, ma'am.
that's it. I guess we had 5. One is missing.
No, ma'am, I wrote that down all these.
Ma'am, it was only 4.
Okay. 4 only. ठीक है. So हम आगे continue करते हैं. Let's go for other good phrases. As you can see on your screen, here it is. I will be down. I will be down. यहाँ पर I will be down कहीं ना कहीं आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि आप समझो I'll be down means कि मैं बीमार हो जाऊंगा या अपसेट हो जाऊंगा, सारी फीलिंग आ रही होगी सुन के, बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. इट मीन्स जब आप किसान का हिस्सा बनने के अग्री करते हो, कोई प्लान बन रहा है कहीं घूमने का, मूवी देखने का, ठीक है, बाहर जाने का, टूर के लिए, ट्रेवल के लिए, किसी भी चीज के लिए, तो आप अगर उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हो और आप कहते हो यस आई एम इन, तो आप बोल सकते हो आई विल बी डाउन. इट मीन्स बी द पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई विल पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस प्लान. So there is one good example. If you don't want to go to the pool, I'll be down for whatever. अगर आप पूल करने के लिए नहीं जाना चाहते हो, पूल खेलने के लिए नहीं जाना चाहते हो, तो आई एम अप फॉर एनीथिंग और एवरीथिंग आप कर लो पूल खेलने के अलावा. Whatever. Let's say Abhinav is calling me for a movie. अभिनव मुझे एक मूवी के लिए बुला रहे हैं. So मैं कहती हूँ okay Abhinav, I'll be down. It means I'm ready. What did I mean? I'm ready. Yes, Abhinav, I'll be down. And then Abhinav also asked me to give a call to Ritu and Riddhi and ask if they both are all coming. So I called Ritu and Riddhi. They both said, yes, ma'am, we both down. ठीक है, तो हम दोनों भी ready हैं आने को. So when you want to say कि we are ready for the plan, simply say I'll be down. I am down, I'll be down. इस तरह से करके आप इसे यूज कर सकते हो. I am ready. Simply to say I'm ready. Like Alina is calling me for a biryani party, and I said yes, Alina, I'm down. So Alina, are you calling me for a biryani party?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Yes, I'm down then. It means मैं ready हूँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
some phrases and EDM both are the same or it's different?
Kind of. थोड़ा सा फर्क होता है, but not much difference. But एक ही है idioms, phrases.
मैम जैसे हम
Difference,
मुहावरे
I'll tell you.
हिंदी में मुहावरे यूज
मैं-
करते हैं, क्या उस सेंस में होता है?
यस. इडियम्स, हाँ बिल्कुल उसी सेंस में होते हैं. मुहावरे जैसे ही में होते हैं, वही इडियम्स होते हैं, वही फ्रेजेस होते हैं.
ओके.
फ्रेजेस थोड़े अलग भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. इडियम्स टिपिकली वो आप कहीं में आप समझो तो मुहावरों के ही होते हैं. हल्का सा फर्क हो सकता है. आई यू वंस लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
बच्चे ये डोर बंद कर दे। चूचू के पापा, प्लीज शट द डोर।
Ritu, you.
सॉरी, म्यूट नहीं।
That's fine.
हो जाता है मैम,
No
पता
worries.
नहीं चलता।
It's okay. It's okay. But good to hear कि आप इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हो. Okay. Now the next idiom is. Sorry. Next. Yeah. Next idiom. Next phrase is lighten up. Lighten up का मतलब है यहाँ पर telling somebody not to be depressed. जब हम किसी को कहते हैं कि यार ठीक है, अब खुश हो जाओ, अब खुश हो जाओ, अब तो गुड न्यूज मिल गई, अब खुश हो जाओ, ठीक है, जितना दुख मनाना था मना लिया, एक नई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगी, तो अब खुश हो जाओ, अब खुश हो जाओ। नाउ लाइटन अप, तो उसको हम इंग्लिश में कैसे बोल सकते हैं? नाउ लाइटन अप। ओके, इट इज वेरी सिमिलर टू cheer up. क्या बोलते हैं? कम ऑन यार, cheer up, it's okay, let it be, forget it, let bygones be bygones. So you can say cheer up, and in other sense you can say lighten up. Lighten up, come on Alina, lighten up, it's okay, if you have lost one opportunity you can get one more. So lighten up, cheer up, simple as that. Don't be sad, lighten up. Right, Riddhi? Don't be sad, you can learn English, definitely. Lighten up, cheer up. Right, Fahad? Online classes are not that boring actually. So lighten up. Okay, Fahad?
I think Fahad has removed. Left in
Remove?
last.
Okay.
Yes, I think.
No problem. Lighten up समझ में आ गया चिराग?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now moving ahead. And the next one says hop in. Could you see hop in? Hop in का मतलब कुछ नहीं है. When you want to simply come on, get into the car. Come on, get in the car. Get in the
Hopping
car.
like
तो आप
उम्मीद.
in the car.
Hopping. Hopping means
जो car
उम्मीद.
में बैठो. मतलब नहीं नहीं, वो होप अलग है. होप, उसकी भी अलग है.
Ma'am, the voice is not clear.
वो होप
ब्रेक हो रहे हो आप.
I can't
ब्रेक
understand.
हो रही हूँ मैं या मेरी आवाज?
आपकी आवाज.
अच्छा ठीक है, अभी क्लियर है?
No, ma'am, no clear.
जैसे ही हम अपना टर्न ऑन, आवाज ब्रेक होनी शुरू हो जाती है. अभी भी ब्रेक हो रही है?
Ma'am, now it's ठीक है.
क्लियर है ना? सो होप होता है HOPE, होप रिद्धि, जिसका मतलब होता है उम्मीद. लेकिन यहाँ हॉप की बात, हॉप की प्रोनाउंसिएशन में भी डिफरेंस है. तो होप है, होप थोड़ा सा ओ दबाकर बोला जा रहा है, HOP, और यहाँ पे हम हॉप जल्दी बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हॉप इन का मतलब है गेट इन कार. जब आपको कार में बैठाने के लिए बोलते हो कि चलो कार में बैठो, चलो कार में घुसो, ठीक है, तो हॉप इन द कार, हॉप इन द कार. लेट्स सपोज क्लासेस खत्म हुई और हम सब अपने अपने घर निकल रहे हैं, तो मैंने अपनी लेडी ट्रेनीज को देखा. यहाँ पर ऋतु, रिद्धि, अलीना, तीनों अकेले अकेले निकल रहे थे. सो आई asked them, I told them to hop in. I'll give you ride home. Hop in. मैं घर तक छोड़ दूंगी. Hop in, I'll चलो कार इन द कार और जंप
मैम
हॉप इन। कार में
कार के लिए यूज करना है ये।
हाँ, क्योंकि कार में अंदर की तरफ बैठा जाता है, जनरली हम कार के लिए ही ये चीज यूज करते हैं।
बस के लिए भी बोल सकते हैं।
कार के लिए यूज नहीं, कार के लिए ही मेजरली यूज हो। It's okay. Now 1A.
भाई बाजार रेयान स्कूल गेट में मिलते हैं, मैं वहीं पहुंच रहा हूँ।
आवाज नहीं आ रही, वॉइस आर नॉट क्लियर।
हाँ, बिकॉज मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं। I didn't speak at all.
Okay. No problem.
So, keep me in the loop. Keep in the loop का मतलब है to be informed about everything। जब हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि ठीक है, मुझे अपडेट करते रहना, मुझे अपडेट करते रहना। लाइक माय बॉस इज ऑलवेज लाइक, ठीक है मुझे अपडेट कर देना, ये हो जाए तो अपडेट कर देना, वो हो जाए तो अपडेट कर देना, ठीक है। सो कीप मी इन द लूप। वंस यू आर डन विद इट, कीप मी इन द लूप। जैसे मैं आपको बोल सकती हूँ कि मैंने आप सभी को असाइन दिया, मैं 4 दिन का टाइम, गिव यू 4 days टू कंप्लीट योर असाइनमेंट, एंड एवरी डे मैं टेकिंग एन अपडेट, और मैं आपसे फिर बोलती हूँ ठीक है, फिर मुझे अपडेट करते रहो कि कहाँ तक आपका पहुंचा, क्योंकि ऑन फ्राइडे विल हैव प्रेजेंटेशन। तो मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, ओके keep me in the loop. Okay students, keep updating me. So keep me in the loop, it means keep me informed. मुझे बताते रहो जो जो भी चल रहा है, keep me in the loop, ठीक है। Now let's say one of my good friend, he went for a horror movie, and I was so excited to watch, but of COVID my parents didn't allow me, because my parents didn't allow me, मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं किया। अब मैं उससे बार बार पूछ रही हूँ, हर 15 मिनट में कॉल करके मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ कि बताओ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, ठीक है। सो आई एम आस्किंग हिम टू कीप मी इन द लूप, मुझे अपडेट करते रहो, कीप मी इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट द पिक्चर, कीप मी इन द लूप। या फिर ऐसा मान सकते हैं कि चलो एक इंटरेस्टिंग सा एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं। अलीना के लिए लड़का देखने गए हम लोग। अलीना इज वेरी मच एक्साइटेड, ओके। So we went to see a boy for Alina. Alina is very much excited. So Alina is dropping messages to me every now and then, and she's telling me to keep her in the loop. Keep her in the loop. Alina मेरे को बोल रही है, मैम keep me informed, मुझे inform करते रहो। तो वो मेरे को बोल रही है कि मैम keep me in the loop, मतलब मुझे inform करते रहो, ठीक है। One more example I can give is परसों एक पार्टी है यहाँ पर, एवरीबडी इज इनवाइटेड, बट अभी तक मैंने आपको कोई टाइमिंग्स या वेन्यू एग्जैक्टली अपडेट नहीं किया है। अभी तक मैंने कोई आपको टाइमिंग अपडेट नहीं किया है, वेन्यू अपडेट नहीं किया है। तो आप सब लोग मुझे रोज पूछते हो, फिर आप मुझे फाइनली कहते हो ओके मैम कीप अस इन द लूप। कीप अस, क्योंकि अब हमारी बात हो रही है तो मी नहीं अस बोला जाएगा। कीप अस इन द लूप, हमें इन्फॉर्म करते रहें, अपडेट करते रहें। तो किसी भी चीज के रिगार्डिंग जब आपको अपडेट करने की जरूरत हो, आप यूज कर सकते हो कीप मी in the loop. Now for today, few more phrases we have added. One is keep me in the loop. Next is
Hop in.
I am hop in, I am down. I am down का मतलब है I am in, इसका मतलब होगा कि मैं इसका हिस्सा हूँ. I am in, मैं इसका हिस्सा हूँ. I am down. Hop in का मतलब get in the car or lighten up.
Cheer up.
L-I-G-H-T-E-N. Yes, lighten up means to cheer up. So we have 8 good phrases altogether now. Give me sentences. Come on, hurry up. Give me sentences. Good sentences.
Don't sad. Lighten up.
Don't be sad. Lighten up. Don't be sad.
Don't be sad. Okay.
Your promotion is confirmed, so lighten up.
I'll be
Good.
down for the party.
Yes, very nice.
I will not able to attend the seminar, so please keep me in the loop.
Good. Ritu, Fahad, Alina, sentences.
Going to the market now. Lighten up.
We are going to the market, so now lighten up.
Why are you sad? Please lighten up. I am down in the party.
Very nice. Good one, Ritu.
Thank you, sir.
One sentence.
Ma'am, where is words?
Yes. See? Fahad, come again.
Ma'am, I say where is words? Word is not available on your screen. On a screen.
Are they visible now?
No, ma'am. Yes.
And these are not good phrases.
Ma'am, I am not able to attend the seminar. Keep me in the loop.
Yes.
I am not. It's
Good. Very good.
Today I am not attending this English class, so you keep me in the loop.
Yes, right. Good one.
Ma'am, let's hop in the car. We are going for the market. Let's be आएगा और hop in मतलब ठीक है.
Let's into the car. We are going
Let's-
to market. Let's hop in the car. We are going for the market.
Let's hop in.
Let's hop in the car. We are going for it.
Ma'am, Oh, I am going to Noida. Please, you have hop in with me.
Again,
Oh, I am going to Noida. Please, you have hop in.
please you hop in.
Please, you
I
have
didn't get it.
मीन्स मैं नोएडा जा रही हूँ, तुम मेरे साथ कार में आ सकते हो.
No, that's different. एक होता है कि तुम कार में बैठो, चलो बैठो. Come on, hop in. ठीक है. एक जगह आप ये बारो सामने वाले को कि आप आते हो पॉसिबिलिटी. ठीक है. That's वहाँ पे यूज नहीं किया जाएगा. आप बोलो you could come. आ सकते.
Okay, you can hop in.
हाँ. You can hop in. Now that's good.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any other with any other sentence? Keep making. Very interesting. Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are already aware about the assignment tomorrow. First, it's picture composition only, right? And secondly, keep revising these phrases. Okay.